there.
So,
And then he's got 3 admin cards that are all due in late December. So he knows, and you do have to come in and we have to fill out paperwork. Okay. Did I give it to you? Okay, fantastic. I need to have a copy of it, and I have to have a copy of the driver's license.
Very tiny.
I like this name. Stallion.
nope.
No. Unless it's this one.
He had to get the part from,
But he was able to get it.
yeah.
Northwest Short Line.
Yeah, you had to get it from Northwest Short Line.
Oh.
You're not Burl. You're not Steve. You had to call.
Think of it over here.
Parts and everything.
These are like real.
They're getting good and they're getting better. They're doing the transition to the whole. It took forever. I'm trying to find the form. In his file. If you're gonna film it, let me.
Wow, that was so cool. Where's it now? I love it. Yeah, you could see all the details and yeah, well, yeah.
Like a school teacher, so.
Yeah, I just, I will never forget all these trains.
Mhm.
If I'm going to ever play with the trains, I have to come visit my friend. I don't have a single thing. No tracks, no nothing.